and welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This is week 5 of our sanding series, and today we're kicking off our 200 level classes with a talk on grit progression. Yay! I know. So the concept of grit progression is moving through the ranks from the lower number coarse grits to the higher number fine grits. And there really is no exact science to grit progression. In fact, a lot of it is personal preference. However, there are some questions that you need to ask. So let's start with, how low do you go? But really, ideally, you should start with the highest grit possible to remove any of the marks that you need gone. Typically, that's going to be between 80 and 120 grit. However, if you're dealing with rough lumber or you have significant tooling marks that you need to get rid of, you may want to start on the lower end of that spectrum. Keep in mind, no two projects are the same, so your grit progression can and should vary with each.